Welcome to Mindful Growth Studio, your daily step towards a better you. Today we'll guide you through a deep relaxation practice to help you melt away stress and connect with a profound sense of calm. Find a quiet space where you can fully relax, and let's begin. Start by sitting or lying down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for just a moment and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's repeat this 2 more times. Deep inhale through the nose. And a long, slow exhale through the mouth. Feel your body begin to soften with each breath. Allow yourself to settle into stillness, knowing this time is just for you. A time to let go, to be present, and to welcome a deep sense of relaxation. Let's begin with a gentle body scan. Bring your attention to the top of your head. Imagine a warm, soothing light resting there, melting away any tension. Feel the light begin to flow down, softening your forehead, your eyes, and your cheeks. Relax your jaw, letting it fall open slightly if it feels comfortable. Now move your awareness to your neck and shoulders. Imagine the light melting away any tightness or heaviness. Let your shoulders drop, releasing the weight of the day. Feel this wave of relaxation move down into your arms, all the way to your fingertips. With each breath, feel your arms grow heavier, fully at rest. Now bring your attention to your chest. Notice the gentle rise and fall as you breathe in and out. Let this soothing light soften your chest and flow down into your stomach. Let go of any tension you're holding here. Move your focus to your back now, feeling the light melt away any tightness in your upper back, your mid-back, and all the way down to your lower back. Finally, bring your awareness to your legs. Feel the relaxation flow through your thighs, your knees, your calves, and finally to your feet. Allow your entire body to feel heavy, grounded, and deeply at ease. Now let's journey to a peaceful, calming place. Imagine yourself walking barefoot on a soft, warm beach. The sun is shining gently on your skin, and the sound of the waves creates a soothing rhythm in the background. Feel the sand beneath your feet, soft and cool, supporting you with each step. As you walk, notice the fresh sea breeze brushing against your face. With each breath in, feel yourself becoming lighter and more relaxed. With each breath out, let go of any lingering stress or tension. Now, picture yourself finding the perfect spot on this beach. You sit down comfortably and gaze out at the horizon. The water is calm, shimmering in the sunlight. As you watch the gentle waves roll in and out, match your breath to their rhythm. Breathe in as the wave flows toward you, and breathe out as it flows back to the ocean. Inhale deeply, feeling the calm energy of the ocean filling your body. And exhale, letting go of any tension or worry. Stay here for a moment, breathing in the peace and stillness of this beautiful place. Take a deep breath in now, and as the wave flows towards you, feel it washing away any heaviness in your body. And as the wave flows back to the ocean, exhale and release any lingering tension or discomfort. Continue to breathe in and out, connected to the natural rhythm of the sea. Inhale and feel the cool mist of the ocean refreshing you, filling you with peace. Exhale, let the waves carry away the weight of your thoughts. Feel yourself completely present in this moment. You're part of this natural rhythm, steady, calm, and effortless. With each wave, you feel lighter, more relaxed. Take another breath in as the wave flows toward you, bringing with it a sense of clarity and ease. Breathe out, releasing tension and stress, letting it dissolve into the vastness of the ocean. Continue this for a few moments longer, breathing in as the ocean draws near, breathing out as it flows back into its endless expanse. Let yourself rest here, fully present, fully relaxed, as you are cradled by the rhythm of the waves. Now it's time to return. Gently bring your awareness back to your body, feeling the weight of it resting on the surface beneath you. Wiggle your fingers and toes slightly, bringing gentle movement back to your body. Take one final deep breath in, and a long, slow exhale. When you're ready, open your eyes slowly, returning to the present moment with a sense of calm and clarity. Thank you for taking this time to relax and recharge with us today. If you enjoyed this meditation, please subscribe to Mindful Growth Studio to support our community. Don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who could use a moment of peace. We're so grateful to have you here, and we can't wait to see you again soon. Take care, and remember, every moment of mindfulness is a step toward a better you.